Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about how to fix cellular data not working properly on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest video. So do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. So first solution, you have toggle aeroplane mode. So you are dealing with no service after iOS 17 update. Issue is still trying to will in the aeroplane mode on and off. Sounds simple, right? Well, it is very simple yet convenient solution for your problem. Follow below convenient solution for your problem, then steps to get your problem will be solved. So you have open the setting, turn on and off 2 or 3 times airplane mode. Then second solution, you have forget your current Wi-Fi network. So you have any Wi-Fi network you have connect, then you have disconnect, and then you have forget. Then another method you solve cellular data says no service is simple to forget your current saved Wi-Fi network. Then third solution, you have reset the network setting several times. The network problem of iPhone can be solved by just a mere rest of the iOS device. A network setting, followable simply steps to reset network setting. So you have opened the setting, and then you have click on general, scroll up, then you have click on transfer or reset, then you have click on reset, then you have click on reset network setting. iPhone given a passcode, then you have enter a passcode. Do not lose any data on your iPhone, only reset network setting on your iPhone. Then fourth solution, you have force restart your iPhone. So you have if the above method did not solve your iPhone cellular problem, so you should now go for another easy method. We have got for you a force restart, a fresh start. So you have press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button when your mobile is 10 to 20 seconds better than restart. May it be a forced one does wonder, simply force restart your device to get a problem solved. So first press and then immediately let go the volume up and button. Then you now go the same with volume down button. Now hold side button until the iPhone is restarted. Then fifth solution, you have eject the SIM. If nothing is still worked for you, then there are chance that you have not inserted your SIM card properly, or more be due the to mishandlings of your iPhone. The SIM is displaced, and then hence you're facing this issue. So your problem will be fixed and 100% working. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.